going to attempt a spark plug change job here. A little bit documented for the future. I guess I first got to unscrew all this off to get to the plug. So let me give that a try. Then I guess disconnect this thing from there to make it easy to pull this up. There we go, it's way down there. Finally got it loose. Had to whack it with a hammer a bit, at least nothing broke. But look, I finally got it. And that's the best I can get it there. Just use my anti-seize to make it easier to remove the next time. Got it all coated there and ready to go. Finally got it down there. Now to put this sucker back in and then do the rest. Got that one done. Now to repeat it for the rest of them. Nice shiny platinum plugs. Check that out. Hard to keep in focus though. And that'll be a time lapse, as I keep saying. Finally all done. Even got the air filter. That goes right in there. That was a piece of cake. Want to see it? There we go. Nice shiny new air filter. Once you do it the first time in a new car, it's easy after that. Then to snap the clips back up and you're good to go. And now I'm good to go. Alright, time for a test drive. And look, it runs. I'm actually driving it. How about that? Your bullfrog did it. It was sort of a challenge, but he did it. In high def, no less.